My husband has fertility issues and we are okay with it. His father owns a livestock farm and his health is not good nowadays. We had a meeting with him recently. He wants us to move in with him as he is living alone and cannot do the daily work around the farm. My husband decided that he is going to resign from work and focus on the farm since he is the only child of his father and his mother is no more. Last night he said that it's time we think about having children, so I thought he was referring to us adopting my little sister's son because we do help her to raise the child since she's a single mom of 3. He just said that he's been talking to his father and they have agreed that his dad will donate his sperm so I can get pregnant. I felt like I was dreaming. His father is 86 years old and he says he will feel more like a father than raising another man's child. We haven't spoken ever since because this issue has stressed me out. I took my 2 dogs and moved in with my granny to process this. He only came to take the dogs for a walk. Now my granny says it's not a bad idea. She supports this. How is it normal to carry your father-in-law's child? I'm heartbroken, guys. This has nothing to do with pleasing the ancestors because we are an interracial couple. He's white and I'm black. Any advice, please?